Today we will learn a very important board question. What is a Tek number and how to generate all 4-digit Tek numbers? First, let us understand what a Tek number is.
A Tek number has an even number of digits. If the number is split into equal halves, then the square of the sum of these halves is equal to the number itself. Write a program to generate and print all 4 digits Tek number. To print all 4 digits Tek number. For example, what is Tek number? For example, Tek number is your 3025 is the number. Let n is your 3025. This is 4 digits. So number of digits is even, split into 2 parts. That means 30 is a part, 25 is a part. That A equal to 30, B equal to 25. Then square of sum of each digit. Square of sum of 2 halves. Square of sum of 2 halves. Now A plus B whole square must be equal to n. Then this is a Tek number. Now, how can you find A and B? How can you split the number? For this, A equal to your, what is A? A equal to n divided by 100 and B equal to n modulus 100. How? This is your 3025 divided by 100. This is 100 into 30 equal to 30/100. Remainder is 25. This is your remainder. This is n modulus 100. This is the remainder. And this one is your n divided by 100. That is question part. Question part is divided by 100 and remainder part is modulus 100. So A, B is your 30, A is 30, B equal to 25. Now we have to check that A plus B whole square equal to n or not. For this we have to write if math.pow if math.pow A plus B math.pow A plus B, this is A plus B comma 2, that means A plus B whole square equal to n. This is if math.pow A plus B comma 2 equal to n, then this is a Tek number. Then SOPLN n. SOPLN n. Now to print all 4-digit Tek number, we have to write for loop. Here we have to write for int n equal to 1000. For int n equal to 1000, n less than equal to 9999. That is below. This is your 4-digit, greatest 4-digit number is 9999. Then n plus plus. Here curly bracket, here curly bracket close. So this will print all the 4-digit number, 4-digit Tek number. This is, you have to write int here because math.pow returns in double and n is your int. So to make A plus B square int, you have to write int in bracket. Now let us see the BlueJ program.